what's with the noise? Oh my God. I can't believe how much noise these things are making. That is like ridiculous. Is Tesla even doing anything about it? Well, you know what? I'm not going to wait around to find out. Let's just replace these suckers now with things that are much better. All right, so that's what this video is about today. So stick around. But yeah, you got to junk these things. Okay, here we are. Wheel covers are on and they look sharp. Okay, they look really good. Super easy to put on, and they're on here. These things aren't going to be slipping around, and what they're definitely not going to be doing is making noise. Okay, they won't be making noise like the OEM wheel covers, which I don't know how Tesla is like getting away with. That is ridiculous. How did those things even make it past any kind of quality control? Anyway, I don't want to be dissing on them that bad, but these, I'm sorry, these are better. These not only look better, but they don't make noise, and they protect your wheel really well. They've got that foam tape underneath so that it's not going to mess up the actual factory OEM wheel underneath, and they just look good. I can't get over the center cap and these caliper covers. I mean, wow. And do not forget the discount code TeslaMark. It saves you the most amount of money and works in all the best places. Take a closer look. I obviously already had this one out of the package, but they look pretty good. We do have a center cap for this, but otherwise the finish looks nice and smooth. It's got kind of a matte gloss, I don't know, semi-gloss finish to it. Packaged really well. It's like all kinds of foam and bubble wrap and stuff on it so nothing gets scratched or damaged in shipping. That is nice. They feel durable. Not super thick, but definitely not thin. So the first thing we got to do is get the tape on the back here and put the center caps on, which I think they offer black and red. I can't remember if there's any other colors. Yeah, let's get that going and get these on the car. Okay, center caps, we've got some protective coating on the outside. Looks good. And obviously we've got the double-sided tape here, so pretty simple. Stick them on there, no big deal. Also in the box we've got this protective roll of foam tape, and from what I understand they give a ton of this, so we're going to put it on the inside lip here of the cover so that we make sure we don't damage our factory wheel. Then we've got this tool here that will help in if we ever want to take these things off. And then here are plain, super plain black caps that go on there. These are the generic ones that come with the wheels. All right, taking these off is pretty stinking easy. You just get your fingers back here, pull this off, you know, pull each one of these off like this. And you're going to need a pry tool, so you could actually use the pry tool in here too. You know, just kind of pry it up. You need the pry tool for this part though. You just kind of have to get something like in the center here, and then just pops right out. That's all that's holding that in. So that's it, pops right off. Install is like really simple. The trickiest part really is going to be if you want to put this double-sided like protection dense foam tape thing on there, and where that goes is around the edge here so that it will protect your wheel, because over time, you know, this thing, it does kind of, you know, shake and vibrate a little bit, and it could end up messing up the finish on the wheel a little bit. So they give you some of this tape, double-sided tape, double-sided, or basically like a foam tape protection thing, and we're going to put it around. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, to put this on is easy. Oh yeah, I got the center cap on there, which is going to look really nice. EVBase also sells these, check them out. All right, let's put this on though, super simple. Just line up the nozzle there, and then we're going to focus on the center, okay? So actually it kind of locks in the center once you get this lined up, and really just kind of punch that sucker in, and the rest just kind of follows along. And that's it. Check it out. It's just that easy. And yeah, it looks really good with this, with the caliper in there too. Man, wow. I am liking this. It goes really well with this gray too here. Yeah, this is nice. So yeah, look at the whole car, man. It's like a brand new car. Check that out. That looks good.